Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after digital frames on the market, the Carver 10.1 Wi-Fi digital picture frame. Known for its sleek design and smart features, this frame has garnered quite a reputation, being hailed as the best Carver Luxe available. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Carver boasts a stunning 10.1-inch HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 800, perfect for showcasing your favorite memories in vibrant detail. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows seamless photo and video sharing directly from your smartphone using the intuitive Aura app. This means you can update the frame with new memories anytime, anywhere. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Carver not only looks elegant but also feels robust. The frame's color-calibrated display ensures accurate color reproduction, making every photo pop with lifelike clarity. It's designed to automatically adjust brightness based on ambient lighting and even includes a built-in speaker for video playback. Setting up the Carver is a breeze. Simply connect to Wi-Fi. Download the Aura app on your iOS or Android device, and start adding photos. You can invite family and friends to contribute their photos too, making it a fantastic way to stay connected across distances. Plus, with free unlimited photo storage, there are no additional fees to worry about. Beyond its basic functionality, the Carver impresses with smart features like automatic screen dimming at night, which ensures it won't disturb your sleep. The frame also intelligently crops photos to fit the display, eliminating any manual adjustment hassles. These thoughtful touches enhance the overall user experience. Thinking of gifting this frame? It's a fantastic choice. You can personalize your gift by preloading it with photos and even adding a heartfelt message directly through the Aura app. It's a thoughtful and unique way to share memories with loved ones. While there are other digital frames on the market, the Carver stands out due to its combination of design, ease of use, and smart features. It's been recommended by prominent reviewers like the New York Times and Wired, solidifying its reputation as a top-tier digital frame. To wrap up, the Carver 10.1 Wi-Fi digital picture frame is a standout choice for anyone looking to effortlessly display and share memories. Its combination of elegant design, smart functionality, and ease of use makes it a compelling option in the digital frame market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your tech and gadget updates. Take care.